Hello to all my Grateful Heart travelers. It's your girl Apri. I am currently docked here in the beautiful Cozumel, Mexico, currently walking down the cruise port. So I'm heading into kind of like that main shopping area. I'm going to give you guys a quick walking tour of what you can expect when you dock at the Cozumel port here in beautiful Mexico. I'm currently sailing on the CarnivalBreeze. Right here, take a quick look at the ship. All right, so come along with me. Oh, and over here we have the Jubilee. It looks, to be honest, it looks like the Jubilee had a baby and produced the Breeze. That's how big that ship is. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'll be doing the Jubilee in December for my birthday. So look forward to seeing that type of footage. And you guys, if you can appreciate anything that you see in this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe while you're enjoying this video. So come on, take a walk with me as we see the pier. All right, all my Grateful Heart travelers, like I said, we are about to approach some of the shopping area for the Cozumel, Mexico port. Right now we're entering into the duty-free area. So in this shop, you'll find, you know, your duty-free alcohol, you'll find jewelry, perfumes, any type of souvenirs. Hi, how are you?
Welcome to Hawaii.
So listen, so this is where you'll come and get all your gifts and everything. So let's go ahead and take a quick stroll through here. Perfumes, purses for the ladies. Forget your sunglasses at home, definitely have that for you. Well, these are cute. Cute little bag. I kind of wish it was a little bit bigger. It's simple but very cute. Ah, hola.
Te mostró parte del video porque no lo había visto.
For you tobacco smokers, plenty of cigarettes. All the cigarettes your heart can desire. But we are a family-friendly channel, so we're gonna breeze on by that. Got an assortment of adult beverages as well through here. So this is kind of like your one-stop shop for all things souvenirs, treats, everything. All right. All right. Now at the opposite end is where you're going to see all of kind of like your local vendors where you can, you know, kind of connect with some of the local Mexican family. And guys, if you notice me pausing a little bit, it's because I'm also trying not to buy stuff, so bear with me. All right, so next up in the video, we'll kind of be outside of this kind of standard tourist shopping area, and we'll be more in the local vendor area. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, you guys. So once you've exited that shopping area that we were just in, this is what you walk into. So the Three Amigos, very well known for great drinks, margaritas, mojitos, things of that nature. Yeah, they have some great places to do some more shopping, get some good photo ops. So we just gonna stroll through here and see what we can see. Oh, look at that, Senorita. Now, if you know, you know, you guys, that is a place to go to get the real drinks and the vibes. You hear that music over there? They is ready to go. Let's actually head down that direction. They partying over here. All right now. So for y'all looking for the vibes and the turn up, come on down to Fat Tuesdays. All right now. They are enjoying this. Hope I don't get hit with a copyright. All right. So as we get away from that, you guys, like I said, there's plenty of shops, things like that. So there's something out here for everybody. The whole family can enjoy this port. All right. Hola. No, thank you. Come on down and see Diego's when y'all in Mexico. All right. Ooh, they even have a cute little Pandora here. I need to get me another charm for my bracelet. Oh, no, I'm not the... Oh, she wants to be on camera? Say hi.
Don't be shy, girl.
Uh-oh. So what do y'all do here?
Depends on what you want to pay.
Oh, so it's a rejuvenation clinic.
No, I'm joking.
All right, you guys. So if you need to get you some rejuvenation, check out that Medi Spa. They have some of everything, all right? I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all enjoy the views. Want you guys to get a real perspective of, you know, what you can expect to see when you're in the cruise port for Cozumel, Mexico. And you guys, if this is helpful in any way, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate your support. Trying to grow the channel. I recently hit 100 subscribers. Yay! Hi, hola. Hola. All right. Thank you. Love the welcome. Right. So you guys, lots of vendors, lots of great items. So if you're just looking to pick up some souvenirs for the family who couldn't join you on the trip, Cozumel definitely has all that you need. All right. Now, further down here, I'm not going to head that way, you guys, but further down and to the right of this area right here is where you'll be able to see all the taxis in case you want to get off the pier area and out of the shops and go into the Mexico City or any other parts of Mexico. You would go and take one of the cabs out that direction, all right? So I hope this was helpful for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and make my way back to the boat. I have a spa appointment, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse into what you can expect at the port of Cozumel. And there are plenty more shops in this area. Too many to capture, honestly. But all that you need will be here for sure. So check it out. Come on down to Mexico. They have great people, great food, great drinks, great culture. So if you haven't been to Mexico yet, it's definitely a must-see. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe. I truly appreciate the support. Until next time, bye.